is on Daddy's shirt?
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
Who's that?
That's Luke.
Who's that?
I can't play.
Who's that?
I can't play anymore.
Yeah, you can. You know who that is. Who is it?
Just one more time.
I want to pick Chewbacca.
Who's that?
That's Chewbacca.
Who's that?
And that's Luke.
No, Luke's up here. Who's that?
And that's Princess Leia.
Princess what?
That Princess Leia.
Who's that?
And that son. He got black hair.
Who is it?
And it's not Chewbacca.
No, Chewbacca's up there. Who's that?
That's Chewbacca.
Yeah, but who's this one?
Mommy? He didn't got the silver.
Wait, Nate.
Who is it?
I don't care.
You don't care?
This one do it now.
Who's this?
That Obi-Wan.
That is Obi-Wan. Who's this?
And that's not.
No, that's not Obi-Wan, but who is it? You were telling me a minute ago.
That's Obi-Wan.
Yep.
Yeah, so who's the yellow guy? Who's the yellow bird?
That's the arrow bird.
What's his name?
I'm not.
What's his name?
I don't.
Don't make me tickle you. Don't make me tickle you.
Okay, where's R2-D2? Do you know where R2-D2 is?
Show me R2-D2.
That's R2.
Where?
That's R2.
No.
Now, that's C-3PO. Where's Han Solo at?
Han Solo.
Where's Han
Point
Solo?
to him.
Where's Han Solo bird?
The Han Solo.
No, that's Obi-Wan.
That's not Han Solo.
No, that's not Han Solo.
That's Princess Leia.
Yes, it is.
Then the Han Solo.
Where's Han Solo? Point to him.
That's Han Solo.
Now you know who that is.
You know
Who is that?
is.
That's not Han Solo.
Who is it?
That's Chewbacca.
Yep, that is Chewbacca. Where's Han Solo? You were just telling Daddy.
You just told me where all of them were at, and now you don't want to tell me. I'm going to cry.
Cry.
You say hi, Connor.
Cheese.